Hi everyone. In Kladana you can record your sales and purchases. Let's see how it works, and in this video we shall review sales flow. First, you need to create a sales order. For that, go to Sales section, open Sales Orders tab and press plus order button. In transaction form, choose Customer, Warehouse and add Product. Check prices and tax rates, and you can also apply discount if required. In sales order, in the columns Available, On Hand, Committed and In Transit, you can see current stock for the line items. In our case, we can see that we have enough stock for both items. Put tick on Allocate order to committed stock. If this tick is on, items will be shown as committed in stock report and in other transactions. Also, you can fill the date in expected delivery date. This date will be shown in the list of sales orders, and you can track orders if there is a delay. Save the order, and if necessary, print sales order under print section. After order is confirmed, we can ship it to the customer and decrease stock for the shipped quantity. For that, go to Add Related option and record a shipment. All fields will be filled automatically on the basis of sales order. Save the shipment. After shipment is saved, stock is decreased automatically. Let's go back to the sales order list. Now we can see that current sales order is completely shipped but not paid. To record a payment against sales order, go to the sales order and use Add Related option and choose Incoming Payment. Save it. Now in the sales order list, order is shipped and paid. In case if a customer returns all or some of the items, we can record sales return. For that, we go to the sales order in Related Transaction tab, find Shipment. Click on Shipment. Inside the shipment, click Add Related button and record sales return. Fill in the quantity of items you would like to return and save it. So we created a simple sales flow. All transactions are linked and traceable. After sales is recorded, it is important to analyze them. For that, let's take a look at the profit report. In Sales section, choose Profit tab. I will use Saved Filter Cosmetics to check sales results in that product category. Choose the period by using Dates column to check the profit for the particular time. For the chosen period, we can see total sales, returns, and profit. Also, you can see the quantity of the sold products, gross sales amounts, number of products which were returned, gross profit after sales and returns of that product, also the profit margin in percentage. That's all. Some useful links you can find in the description below. Put your likes and subscribe to our channel to get notifications about new videos.